Hi, welcome to the Statistics Bio 7. In this episode 21, we will explore how to perform a profit regression dose response analysis using MedCalc software. This method is essential in biomedical and pharmacological studies, especially when modeling the relationship between the drug dose and response probability. So what is the profit regressions? The profit regressions is used when the dependent variable is binary, such as success, failure, or a live a death, or response, no response. Unlike the logistic regressions, which use the logistic link functions, the profit regressions use the cumulative normal distributions to estimate probability. In biomedical context, profit model are frequently used to estimate the effective dose ED₅₀, the dose at which 50% of the subject show a response. Let's take for the example data set where the different dosages of the new drug were tested for the 50 patients and the response positively to the treatment. So go to the top menu, select to the statistics and select to the regressions and select to the profit regressions dose response analysis. Then open the new tab for the MedCalc software. So the first one for the data type, the first for the binary and second one for the grouped data set. So we first analyzed for the binary data set because the response variable have only two possible outcomes. So the one for the response and the 0 for no response. So selected for the binary data. If you have the grouped data, only if you have summarized the count, example 10 tested, 6 response at the each dose. So selected the data type in the binary and the dosage variable. So selected for the dosage variable options, the dosage milligram, and the next one for the response variable selected for the response, and the filter leave for the unless if you want include the exclude the specific row for the dose, and the next one for the options. So the options menu for the logarithmic transformations. If you use your dose value or on a wide or exponential scales for the example in the dosage level for the 1 milligram, 10 milligram and the 100 milligram analyzed in the data set selected for the logarithmic transformations unless unclick for the checkbox. So the next one for the dosage response plot. So the option for this marker is selected because the display for the symbols for each data point on the curve optional for the clarity in the dosage response plot. So then click to the OK button. Now analyzed for the profit regressions, the plot and the data set. So the first one for the sample size, we take the 50% data and the positive cases of the result 36, so 72%, and the negative cases of the result 14, the 28%. So the overall model fit the table null model 2 log likelihood value 59.295 and the full model 2 log likelihood value that 23.140 and the high square value 36.156, the degrees of freedom value 1 and the significance level p less than 0.001. The next one table for the coefficients of the standard errors. So the variable of the dosage milligram, the coefficients value 0.77550 and the standard error 0.22245 and the significance of the value 0.0005 and the dosage response table in the last table for the analyzed in the Probit regressions. So the effective dose, the ED 10 percentage, the dosage value 1.65886 and the 50 percentage of ED effective dose, the value 3.31141 and the 90 percentage of ED 90 4.96396 in the value present. So the next one for the Probit regressions plot, the right click, the hide green lines. So the simple customized options only for the present in the MedCalc software for the dosage response plot. So the right click, format regressions line, change to the color in red. So the lines selected the format conference red and change to the color. Okay, the XH is present for the dosage milligram, the 1 to 10 milligrams. So the optional of the click to the marker, this is a marker for the data point in the value and the YX is present in the probability. So this is for the response dosage response plot in the MedCalc software. And how to write the interpretation of the table and the graph I will explain for the our Blacker Post article. The article link mentioned to the this video description box. If you any doubt on this analyzing for the Probit regressions in the MedCalc software, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button. Then thank you for watching this video.